What's up, everybody? Got some juices from Moondrop.co to review. It's going to be on the watermelon flashback, the moon dew, the hummingbird wine, and the Aphrodite. Now let's talk about the watermelon flashback first. Let's see how this smells. Really nice, really sweet smelling watermelon flavor. Let's go ahead and drip a couple drops. We'll talk about it. That's a nice watermelon flavor, not too artificial tasting. I want to say it tastes just like I remember when I was a kid chewing on that Bubblicious watermelon chewing gum. It tastes pretty much just like that. It's a nice smooth flavor. It's 18 milligrams. Doesn't have much of a throat hit. Um, Usually fruit juices really don't have all that great of a throat hit. But overall, it's a good watermelon flavor. I would compare it to the what's that called? The Blue Water Punch from Volcano. That's about what it tastes like. Let's talk about the hummingbird wine. See how this smells. Ooh, it has a really strong smell. I want to say almost citrusy, kinda. Really sweet. Hard smell to describe. Let's go ahead and drip a couple drops. Put a fresh atomizer on here. Let's give this a vape, see how it tastes. One thing I noticed at first is a lot bigger throat hit. It's because it's 24 milligrams. A lot bigger throat hit with the 24. I want to say this tastes like oranges mixed with a little bit of watermelon flavor, a little bit of Mountain Dew flavor. And it doesn't taste like wine. It tastes like maybe like an orange soda, kinda. It's a really complex flavor to describe. It's not a bad flavor. I actually like it. If you like fruit flavors or soda flavors, like a Mountain Dew kind of flavor, then you will probably love it. I probably won't make it my all-day vape, but it's nice as like a treat when you're craving something sweet, kind of citrusy, and that'd be perfect. Alright, next up, the Aphrodite. Let's see how this smells. Not really get much smell on it. It's kind of faint. You can smell some sweetness coming out of it, almost like maybe a little bit of cotton candy sweetness. Let's go ahead and slap a new atomizer on. Drip a couple drops. We'll talk about it. Now that's a different flavor. I can't really compare this to nothing. Almost tastes like some bubble gum in there. A little bit of cotton candy flavor. It's definitely sweet. It's on the verge of being too sweet. The throat hit with this is pretty damn good. It's 24 milligrams as well. Not a bad flavor. It's another hard one to describe. I'm just leaning towards it's a sweet kind of cotton candy, like Bubblicious type flavor. It's not a bad vape. It's a little too sweet for me. If you really enjoy bold, sweet flavors, then you probably love it. Let's talk about the Moon Dew now. The Moon Dew out of this bunch that I'm reviewing is probably my favorite. Let's see what this smells like. Definitely has a Mountain Dew kind of smell. A lot sweeter though. If you was to open up a can of Mountain Dew and smell it, it's got that smell, but really a lot more of a sweeter kick to it. Let's go ahead and slap on a new atomizer. Let's see how this tastes. Really nice Mountain Dew flavor. I know I read on their site that they're changing it a little bit. They're adding more of a soda pop flavor to it. In my opinion, it doesn't need to be changed. It's in the middle of being perfect. I could see add more like of a soda taste to it would make it a little bit better tasting, but in my opinion, it just doesn't need to change. This is 18 milligrams. Not really get much throat hit. It's a good flavor though. Not too sweet. I mean, it tastes just like drinking a can of Mountain Dew, but just a little bit sweeter. Doesn't have as much fizzy taste to it. You know, that's because you're not actually drinking it. But yeah, it's a damn good flavor. If you like the taste of Mountain Dew, then you would love it. I love it. That's it for this review. In my next review, I'm going to be reviewing flavors like the RY42, some of the juices from the Straight Up line, like the mulled cider, the Straight Up Caramel. So check back. Thanks for watching my review, and as always, people, vape on.